Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little White House, and we are headed on a trip up north. We're gonna have a family get together, but on the way we are making a special stop. And it is going to be great, so come join us.
People form their gardens, I don't like it. I like mine everywhere.
Right.
So it just comes up every year and then I have to
Well,
pull
that's-
stuff out because vines want to grow through it. But
I got pretty much an all-volunteer garden this year because most of our garden until like 10 days ago was weeds.
yeah, and then I did my other ones in raised beds because black walnut trees are poisonous to like tomato plants and stuff. So now I have it all in, and
Where'd Abigail run away to?
I have it all in raised beds.
This is a perfect example of companion planting. You got marigolds and you got tomatoes that are growing in the same pot, and they benefit each other. That is awesome. These are the sweet onions, or the sweet peppers.
Sweet peppers.
Oh, you got
And
some
these are
good
the hot
peppers
peppers. And then the regular bell pepper right there.
there.
And then onions. I'm not even sure what kind of onions, but onions.
You're not sure what kind?
No, I bought them, a whole thing of them, like 50 cents, and I had to tear them all apart and plant them. So I'm going to see what happens.
Oh wow, you got a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah, I'm going to finish. I have a water system right here to put in. Haven't done it.
All
So I
right,
need to start
so,
doing that. And I didn't realize you just cut them off.
Yeah, this is, you just take them, and when they're in the ground, I mean like the top leaf, you cut it right here, and then let it grow until all of this starts turning brown. And then when all of that turns brown, then you are ready to harvest your garlic, and you'll get, man, I don't know, you got some decent sized cloves, but I think that you can get bigger ones
If I would have cut them.
if you would have cut them.
They were already turned brown on the bottom, so I thought.
You know, I've tested that theory because people have told me what happens is the plant, it'll turn the energy, or it'll take the energy that it takes to grow this,
Right.
and it'll take it and put it into growing bigger bulbs.
Now, when we come out of here, it's going to really feel cool out there because it's so hot.
Right.
Feels like we're in a sauna.
We are in a
And
sauna.
this is just onions, and over here's onions, and then there's kale.
Right. Oh man.
If you like some
and
kale,
it's not
you can grab
going to
some.
seed yet?
You can take some if you want some.
I'm going to take a leaf.
Good. I didn't spray anything on it.
I don't want any.
You don't want none?
I don't like it.
Oh, I do. I should like it more.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I usually don't get mine
Ready?
until it's like
Come on, it's hot in here.
too big, and then it's all bitter.
Right. That's probably some of mine back there. I might be getting bitter. You ready? Oh, she's gonna try it too. Come on.
Yeah, if you pick
Stop
it
being
now.
bad. She's gonna eat some kale.
He was
No,
younger
good.
than that. He had him out in the garden, and he picked some lettuce. And so every time he's seen a plant, lettuce plant, he'd
Oh no. So we ruined all your lettuce.
Well, we finally made it to Grandma and Grandpa's. But I just wanted to end this video by saying we just want to thank Lois and Kyle because we had a great time at their house. Look at that. Look at that. He had a great time. Can you tell? Both him and his sister were eating dirt.
I wasn't eating dirt.
They were playing. Anyway, we had a great time. They had macaroni salad, sodas.
Oh, we didn't have a salad.
Yeah, we did. Daddy did.
I didn't. And then finally I was hungry. I saw you eating, and I was hungry. And then I went and got hot dogs.
Yeah, they had hot dogs and macaroni salad and potato chips and pop and
I had grape pop.
brats and
What brought?
watermelon.
Oh,
They had a lot of watermelon. We had lots of watermelon.
they did.
Thank you so much, Lois and Kyle. We had a great time. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.